Today we are going to read a interesting chapter. The name of the chapter is Bhumi's Story. Bhumi's story, Bhumi's means obviously our earth story. So this chapter is completely based upon our earth. We have a beautiful earth. The planet called the blue planet. Why it is called the blue planet? Because many of the portion of the earth covered by the water, so it is called the blue planet. And this one are the continents. So let's get started. The chapter is based upon the great information about the earth. So first point is earth. Second one, why it is favorable for the creatures as well as the vegetations. Third one is the friend of the earth, obviously that is moon, and the next one is stars. So this chapter is indicating that our earth is the planet of the solar system. That means our earth is a member of the solar system. How many members are there? Yes, there are 8 members in our solar system, and the sun is the largest star of our solar system as well as our universe. So this is sun and this is our earth, and obviously why this is favorable for the creatures and all living things, because presence of oxygen, presence of water, as well as if it may be very nearer to the hot sun, then what will happen? Obviously there will be too much hotness on the earth. Okay, think if our earth will be far away from the sun, then what will be happen? There will be freezing coldness on this planet. So our earth is situated on the 3rd number from the sun. So it have the proper temperature, it have the favorable conditions, it have the favorable element to live, and so our earth having a favorable condition upon it. What is this? That means it having the proper temperature in which any living creature can survive. Second one thing is it having the water, it having the oxygen, the main thing. So many living creatures can survive upon the earth. So the earth is the beautiful planet, beautiful house of all living creatures. So the third thing is earth having a friend. Can you believe that? Obviously it having a natural satellite. The name of the friend is moon, and you know that sometimes moon having the different shapes. Why it happens? Because the portion which the surface of the earth is facing, having the day, and the just opposite of the earth is night. So if we are present here, so we knew that the moon is shining and spinning. Our earth is spinning around the sun and spinning upon the axis. Think about that. Now the next one is the earth, the sun having the glowing that means shining surface. Why this happens? Because of the reflection of the sunlight. The moon reflect. Moon, sometimes we say can see the moon having the brightness in color, moon having the gold color. Sometimes we see that. So you have to pay attention and think over it, why the moon is changing the shape. The next one is we can see lots of stars at the night. Think about that. They are appearing in the night, and why we can't see them in the day? Where did they go? So think about that. Our earth is surrounded by the many of the stars, and these stars sometimes may be seen fallen, sometimes maybe in many of the numbers, and we also can see the constellation in dark night. So you have to pay attention towards our nature, towards our surrounding, and think how did they created. You have to increase your queries about this subject, about this our earth. So take good care of our earth, take very good care of our earth.